Hey guys, it's Gretchen's Bakery back with another awesome recipe. Who remembers the funny bone? Well, I've got it for you cupcake style today, and I'm actually using my recipe for fudge brownies that can easily be baked into cupcake liners, stuffed with peanut butter buttercream, and then iced with fudge. A double delight for the cupcake lover for sure. Check it out. You will need vegan chocolate and cocoa powder. Since I don't have any brewed coffee, I'm just using instant coffee granules and hot water. And I'm just going to whisk all of that smooth so that the chocolate melts. I've got some granulated sugar, flour, baking powder and salt, oil and vanilla extract. And you're just going to add the oil and the vanilla to that chocolate mixture and then whisk it smooth, and then add the granulated sugar. I do sift the flour, baking powder, and salt right into the bowl and then just whisk everything smooth. Portion the batter into the lined cupcake tin and then bake the cupcakes while you prepare the peanut butter buttercream filling. Now you can choose any recipe for buttercream that you like, and I do have about 5 or 6 of them to pick from on my blog at gretchensveganbakery.com. All the links are below, so you can go ahead and check out all of that. And you really just need about 1 cup of buttercream for this amount of cupcakes, and it's pretty simple because all you do is add the peanut butter to that and then whip it smooth. Now hollow out the centers of your cooled cupcakes, and I just use an apple core to do that, and then fill them up with that peanut butter cream. I definitely do an extra little swirl onto the top of the cupcake too because, well, you can just never have too much peanut butter buttercream. The fudge icing to top it all off, and you can grab that recipe too. Just click the links below, and I do have everything listed out for you on one neat page. Top with peanuts, and then don't tell anyone that you made these because you are going to want them all to yourself. I swear these things are dangerous. Just look at that rich fudge cupcake loaded with peanut butter cream and fudge icing. So go grab the recipe and lock the door. You are in for a real treat. Alright, well, thanks to everyone for watching my video and for your support. I really do appreciate it so much. I hope you will go grab the recipe and make these. And until next time, happy vegan baking. Bye for now.